Maytag Commercial Laundry has designed our dependable machines to perform reliably, produce consistent results, and meet the demanding needs of the industry day after day. Presenting the dependable front-load high-efficiency washer. Our dependable DuraCore drive system, advanced spin technology, and intelligent controls with M-Series technology secure a profitable and successful laundry operation. The DuraCore drive system's advanced design increases the longevity of the machine. A watertight, flexible triple lip seal with garter spring keeps moisture away from the shaft, protecting our premium bearings, while our proven durable shaft sleeve is designed to eliminate shaft wear. These improvements, along with a die-cast trunnion, result in more turns over the life of the washer. In fact, the DuraCore drive system is designed and life-tested to run 15,000 cycles, creating long-lasting durability and helping boost your bottom line. Our advanced spin technology delivers more accurate cycle times and better performance for all load types. A 6-point suspension features 4 dampers and 2 springs, providing better stability for the entire wash unit. An accelerometer measures the spin speed and vibration. If an out-of-balance load is detected, the washer's internal controls automatically redistribute the load and selects the optimal spin speed for better balance and moisture removal. Intelligent controls with M-Series technology help deliver powerful profits for owners and provide flexibility to customers. These enhanced controls allow customized setup. Each cycle and option can be priced individually, maximizing revenue. Plus, customers have the ability to select a preferred cycle and option based on wash needs.
You have more to keep clean than just your clothes. With the fastest cycle of any front-load washer and dryer, you can wash in 15 minutes and dry in 14 minutes. The Electrolux front-load washer has a cycle for virtually anything and delivers the cleanest front-load wash in the industry. It has advanced specialty cycles like fresh rinse. This washer is uniquely designed with a separate water valve for the fresh rinse cycle, delivering truly fresh water to rinse the soap off your clothes, unlike normal washers and dryers. From bedding to towels and whites to clothes that help you look your best, the after-school game uniform, your dinner party linens, and quickly wash that favorite dress for today's birthday party. Plus, the washer also has more room than any front-load washer, cleaning more clothes in fewer loads. And the optional pedestal drawer's flat-top design provides a platform for easy loading and unloading. Electrolux. Be even more amazing.
What says innovation and design better than LG's combo washer and dryer unit? This sleek and quaint unit has the ability to do both, wash and dry. In this video, we will show you how to properly use the dry function on your LG washer-dryer combo unit. This smart combo unit is equipped with a feature that detects load size. So when using the dryer cycle, keep in mind that time will be added to your dryer cycle because it's including a spin cycle. It's important to note that the spin speed option should be off to operate the dry only feature. Let's start by powering on the unit, and without touching the washer selector knob, go directly to the dryer knob. Select your dryer cycle. Press the spin speed selection button until all the indicator lights turn off. This will turn off the spin cycle. Then press start. With the spin cycle off, your clothes will tumble and dry more efficiently, saving you time to dry your clothes. Caution: turning the washer knob before or after selecting your dryer cycle will overwrite the dry only feature on your combo unit and turn the dryer cycle off. When selecting time on your dryer cycle, shown here as 30, 60, and 120, remember, the display will show a varied time to account for the load size as it wants to add a spin cycle to your dryer setting. To match the display time with your dryer's time cycle selection, press the spin speed selection button until all the indicator lights turn off. Your display will then match exactly what is shown under the time setting only, adjacent to your dryer knob. When utilizing both the wash and dry cycles, turn the unit on, select your wash cycle, use the dryer knob to choose your dryer cycle setting, then press start. With the LG washer-dryer combo unit, doing laundry has never been so convenient and friendly.
Meet the AEG 6000 series washing machines that reduce wear and tear by protecting against overwashing, load after load. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. Many eco programs save energy. The Eco Time Save option also saves time. Simply select both options for an energy-efficient wash that is as quick as possible. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Keeping clothes looking their best. Every wear, every wash. The AEG 6000 series washing machines.
Siemens presents Avantgarde. The new laundry care appliances offer an overall harmonic appearance, an outstanding design without compromises. Thanks to the beautifully crafted inclined control panel, the washing machine and the dryer are even more appealing and much more convenient to use. The new multi-touch display allows you to intuitively operate every feature with a touch of a finger. The brilliant design isn't all. With iDOS, the washing machine automatically determines the level of detergent for every washing cycle, for excellent results and minimum use of resources. Use My Time to adjust the duration of the program to your individual needs. And with My Favorite, you can memorize your preferred combination of program and option and select it again at any time. The Siemens Avantgarde dryer offers you the self-cleaning condenser, so that the condenser is cleaned automatically after every drying cycle. This way the performance and energy efficiency are kept constantly high for the entire lifetime of your appliances. It's the guarantee for perfect laundry care. The new Siemens Avantgarde laundry care appliances, not built to meet your expectations, but to exceed them.
In a conventional washing process, the water flows via the intake hose and the detergent dispenser into the suds container, and from there into the drum. The laundry is saturated slowly. Machines with the Miele PowerWash system feature a second circulation pump that allows the detergent to be used as effectively as possible and ensures laundry is saturated quickly. As with conventional machines, water first enters the suds container via the detergent dispenser. The drum speed then increases so that the laundry forms a tunnel. Next, the PowerWash system is activated. The circulation pump then sprays the suds right into the center of the load so that the laundry is saturated faster and more evenly. To use another comparison, some of the detergent in conventional machines remains in the suds container. This amount is then pumped away at the end of the cycle without being used. In machines equipped with the PowerWash system, the second pump pumps the suds together with the detergent from the suds container back into the drum. This allows the detergent to be used to maximum effect. Here's a direct comparison between a machine with PowerWash and one without it. Miele PowerWash, the new dimension for perfect cleanliness.